She needed some fixing. Her limbs were loose and her hair needed some care. First, I carefully took her apart. While I had her apart, I gently cleaned her vinyl with some dish soap, being careful to avoid her eyes. I also used dish soap to wash her hair, then combed conditioner through it and rinsed. I used the hair tie method to tighten her arms and legs. Last, we put the stuffing back in and reattached our girl's head. Now she's all ready for school.